this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Today I'm gonna continue the Neo4J series again. So this will be tutorial 19, and this tutorial I'll be talking about parameterize like variable or kind of like dynamic assignment of the node properties. So if I say like this, it will be kind of kind of difficult to understand. So before we waste much more time while talking about this sort of shit, then I think I should start the actual coding. So first thing first, like from Neo4J import graph database, then let's create one driver object. Driver is going to be like graph database dot driver, then URI and this, and okay. So the bold address of the Neo4J instance, in my case this is this, and here Neo4J, and this is Rambo @1234. Okay, so we'll create one session object. Session is going to be driver dot session. Okay, so now the main part. So let me write one query. Q1 is going to be like, let's create n comma person. Okay, and this is this, and here we'll assign, let's say, some sort of variable, so Ronnie. Okay, this is this, and okay, so this is done, but I think I should use this rather this. So this is the query. Okay, so what is happening here, we are creating one node person, and we are assigning one property like value, and property name is Ronnie, and the value will be property name is Ram, and like value of the property is Ronnie. So this is kind of static. Okay, so if you run this thing like session.run and Q1 see one node created, and the property is name is Ronnie. Now see, we are passing this thing as a static value. Now we want to create as a dynamic or parameterize. So first thing first, let me just comment out this line. So what I'll do, I will create one more query, but this time it will be kind of different. So let me write down this thing. Okay, and we'll create some sort of parameter or variable over here. Okay, like this. Okay, and we'll create one variable or dictionary. So for that, like we'll name it as name, cause our variable name is name is equals to, let's say, Ronnie within bracket, let's say Ronnie test. Okay, and while running this thing we have to pass this thing, that's it. Okay, so let's run this thing again. Terminated means it is executed successfully. So if I run this thing there will be two nodes. See, one is Ronnie test, just now we created, and one is Ronnie. So this is how we can pass some sort of like parameter or something similar. So we can create anything like let's say city colon $city is just like normal dictionary object. Is going to be, let's say, Mumbai. Okay, so if I run this thing, is created. Now if I run this thing again, there will be 3 nodes. see Mumbai Ronnie test. So I think this is clear now, but this is not the actual thing. Let's say if you are having the requirement of like creating 1000 nodes and like 3 properties by reading from one CSV file, how you are going to do that? So in that case, this is not going to work. You have to do some sort of like logic building. You have to use simple or standard Python logic. So that is not part of Neo4j, so that is why I divide this two part in a separate tutorial. So in this tutorial I have created the intuition for like how you can pass variable with respect to like kind of parameterize formation of the variable. Now in this tutorial, now the next tutorial I will use this concept to read from one CSV file and create multiple nodes in a same point of time. For example, now we are creating nodes one by one, like every time I have to execute if there is a requirement for new node. But if suppose we are having requirement for 1000 nodes, then this is not going to work. In that case, you need to read from some sort of like CSV file and you have to run the program only once, and that has to be automatic. So that is purely Python logic, but the main part of the main fundamental thing is this parameterized thing. Okay, so I'll use this thing and the standard Python processing or looping kind of a thing to create those tutorials. So we'll see you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial I will read from one CSV file and I will use the parameter variable assignment for the node properties. So we'll see you in the next video. Till now try to watch all my Neo4j tutorials, try to do some sort of practice, or else it will be difficult for you guys to follow the next tutorial. For the next tutorial it will be going to kind of a advanced tutorial, because till now whatever you are doing it's very basics, but now you understood that we are going to start the advanced topics, because more or less our target is to create some sort of like AI or machine learning driven risk analytics capable application. For that we need to do like multiple processing and we have to do some sort of manipulation based on the huge number of data. For that we need to understand this sort of things, like for processing or manipulating or creating, right? So guys, my humble request and kind of recommendation for you guys, try to do some sort of practice, try to write your own code by your own, okay, or else it will be difficult for you guys to learn. Because if you guys are following my video, that is not going to help you. You have to write your own code, you have to apply your own logic, you have to think that some use cases where you can like apply your logic. So sorry guys, I'm still recovering, I'm not feeling well. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, share our videos, and also if you have some suggestion or feedback, just let me know via Facebook post or like email or YouTube comments. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, good day and happy learning.